Dashboards and reports are great as long as they're in real time. And by that, I mean that as a transaction is occurring on the system, the dashboard is automatically updated by a refresh of the browser or just by scrolling down into the transaction. If your system is not offering that, you don't get a true insight on exactly what's happening within your business. Sage Intacct talks about a continuous close. So no longer sort of looking at a month-end close to understand where your business is at, but a continuous close to understand where you're sitting at. If your system doesn't offer that, then you're not getting the true value of where you are in the business and where you are competing with the rest of your competitors. Everyone used to do month-on-month or quarter-on-quarter trends and understand how they're competing versus peers. But what happens if there's weekly trends? Have you understood exactly how seasonality works within a month? That may be a differentiator for your business that you're unaware of. And if you don't have that information or ability to do that sort of reporting at that level, you're missing a trick in terms of competing with your competitors. The same thing in terms of slicing and dicing information into different dimensions or categories. Can your system do that really easy with a click of a button? Does it allow for that, or is it an export to Excel into a tool that makes it available for that? Is that costly? Are you making errors? Are there errors in the formula? Is there potential for fraud? Those are the things that need to be considered when you're looking at your dashboard and reporting tool for your financial and ERP system. Those are the things that are going to give you that availability at a touch and exactly what is happening in your business so you can make better decisions going forward.